friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Now Diwali is approaching, so I have come with a recipe of a very nice dish, that is Neyyapam. It's a sweet dish and very common in Kerala. It is a very tasty dish. Now I will tell you all what are ingredients you use for making Neyyapam. I have taken 1 kg of rice which I soaked for 7 hours. Now I have taken 400 grams of jaggery, in which I'll have to add 1 cup of water and dissolve it, strain it, and we will be using the jaggery water for grinding the rice. I have taken 100 grams of wheat flour, and I have taken coconut oil for cooking, and now I have taken cardamom, some 16 to 17, which I'll be grinding along with sugar. I have taken pure ghee, in which I'll be frying these coconut. This is half a coconut. I have taken 2 small spoons of cumin seeds and 4 spoons of til. Usually the Neyyapam what we buy from the bakery is quite soft, but they use baking soda, which is not good for health. So I don't want to use any baking soda, but I want to make it soft also. So what I will do is, instead of baking soda, I'll be adding little wheat flour, and I'll be keeping it for fermenting for at least 10 hours, so that the batter becomes fermented and the Neyyapam what we make becomes very soft. Neyyapam means, Neyya means ghee. It is appam made in ghee. So we fry the coconuts in pure ghee and add to the batter, which gives a very good taste to the Neyyapam. Now first I will boil the jaggery and make it, dissolve it and strain it, because sometimes there is mud inside. So I will filter it, I'll strain it with a strainer, and then coconuts I will fry in pure ghee, and then I will be grinding the rice with the jaggery water which we prepared. Now we will go to the kitchen to boil the jaggery and roast the coconuts. I have kept the jaggery on the gas. I have added 1 cup of water and I'll wait for it to boil. I'll make this dissolve in the water, and by this, and even I will keep a kadai on the gas. I'll on the gas and I'll put the ghee into the kadai. This is pure ghee. And I will put the coconuts into the kadai. I'll wait for the coconuts to become golden brown in color, and I will wait for the jaggery to dissolve. Now the coconuts have become golden brown in color. I will off the gas, and the jaggery has to be dissolved little more. I'll wait for some more time for this to dissolve completely. Now the jaggery has dissolved completely. Now I will off the gas. Now I will strain the jaggery using a strainer. I'll be using this jaggery water to grind the rice. Now first I will take a small jar and add the cardamom and sugar inside the small jar, along with 2 small spoons of cumin seeds, and I will grind this. Now I will put little rice into the mixie jar and I'll be adding the jaggery water and I'll be grinding with this the whole rice. See, you don't have to make it into a very fine paste. Little coarse will be okay. Now I have finished grinding all the rice. Now I'll put the wheat flour into the jar, add little water and just run the mixie. Now I'll add the cardamom, cumin seeds powder which I have powdered by adding little sugar in the small mixie jar. I'll be adding 4 spoons of small spoons of till. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small spoons of till, black till, and then I'll be adding the coconut which I have fried in ghee. Even the ghee I will add in this. I'll mix this nicely and I will add a pinch of salt, small little pinch of salt, and stir it nicely and keep this for 10 hours so that it becomes fermented and the neyyapam what we make will become very soft and tasty. Now 10 hours are over and the batter is fermented. Now see, the consistency should be like this. There should not be more water also, and it shouldn't be with less water. This should be the exact consistency to get perfect neyyapam. Now I have kept a kadai on the gas and I have on it and I'll be putting coconut oil into the kadai. Now I'll have to wait for this coconut oil to become very hot. When it becomes very hot, I'll have to put the batter, and after putting the batter I have to reduce the flame, otherwise it will get burnt. So now I will wait for the oil to become very hot. Now the oil has become hot. Now I will put the batter into the oil. Now we will not turn it, we will put the oil over the see. It's become so nice. It has puffed up. Once we have put the neyyapam in the oil, you have to reduce the flame, otherwise it will get burnt. But while putting the neyyapam, you have to put it in high flame. See, So nice it looks. These are our neyyapam. We have to wait till it becomes golden brown. And it has to be cooked from inside also. Now you have to put the oil over it. So it, see, when you put the oil over it, it comes up, see. So, and after some time you have to, when one side gets cooked, you have to overturn it to the other side. Now, you all saw how we made neyyapam. Wasn't it simple? It's very simple to make. And this Diwali, don't forget to try to make neyyapam. Now, I'll show you all. See, it is so soft. See, it is so soft and it's really yummy. So, all of you make neyyapam at home. Now, I have not added soda, I have not added maida, I have only added little of wheat flour, which is healthy. So, this recipe is a very healthy recipe. Do try it at home. And if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. We'll meet with some new exciting recipes. Until then, thank you.